Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a profitable business friendly tiger nut drink recipe. Okay, so if this is something you would like to learn or something you would like to know about, keep watching, and please kindly subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, comment on this video, just so YouTube can push it to a wider audience. Okay, thank you so much. So to begin with, I have 1 Congo of tiger nut drink seeds. This is 1 derica. You can call it 1 derica, you can call it 1 Congo. Okay, so I'm trying to weigh it just in case you don't have the exact measurement in your location. You can also know the measurement in grams. Okay, so do well to check the description box. I'll be leaving all the measurements in grams down there. So I used 1 cup of pitted dates. Okay, I've already removed the seed. I've soaked it as long as I wanted, which is like 3 hours. I've soaked my tiger nut as well for 3 hours, and I'm using two large fingers of ginger. Okay, so like I said, I'll leave all of the measurement in grams in the description. So for coconut as well, I'm using 1 cup of chopped coconut. I will leave the measurement in gram as well. So one thing I want to share with you about this tiger nut is where some of us get it wrong is the soaking period. Like when you soak your tiger nut, you tend to just forget it there, or you feel like if you soak it for long it will be easy for your blender to tolerate. The truth is, the soaking process is not for your blender to tolerate it, because tiger nut cannot soften. Okay, instead you are even like spoiling your drink, because once your tiger nut is over, like if it's too soaked, if it stay in the water for too long, it's going to sour. Okay, so before you even start making your milk, your tiger nut is already sour. That's when you start seeing some white bubbles on top of the water. That way is not okay. And another thing is, you want to use cold water. Okay, all the process, remember, whatever water you add during blending, during streaming, is what you are drinking. So you want to use cold water so it will save it from getting spoiled easily. Okay, so this is my own method. This is how I do mine to make it last, to not make it sour early. So you can go ahead and like try it and see for yourself. So the first step of sieving that I do, I use this colander. I just use it to like sieve out the liquid. It's easier this way. If I had used the cheesecloth directly, it won't, like, it would have taken a lot of time. Okay, so what I do, I just sieve this first with this sieve, and then I'll just like put the shaft aside, and I will later add water again. Okay, I will add more cold water again to get more milk out. This measurement I'm using is supposed to give me 2.5 liters of tiger nut drink. Okay, so originally this will give me 2 liters, but because like I'm trying to make it business friendly, okay, if it's for my personal use, I will want it to be like 2 liters, but this is for business. And if you know, if you're in tiger nut business, you will know how much these things cost these days. Like, tiger nut is very expensive, probably because people are taking it a lot, and yeah, so it's very expensive. Date is expensive. In fact, everything is expensive, even coconut. So you want to like make it okay, but you still want to profit in it. So instead of 2 liters, I'm aiming to have 2.5 liters from this, and I still want it to be thick, I still want it to be tasty and everything. So this measurement is going to give me exactly what I want. So you can see how I'm straining this from this sieve. I'm just trying to get enough milk out before I will rinse it again and do the exact same. So guys, I've passed it on to the cheesecloth. At this point, this is where everyone is tempted to use their hands to just squeeze it out. You will be tempted no matter what. You want to just squeeze it out, but please don't use your hands. You see, using too much of hands in tiger nut drink add to it getting spoiled easily. Like if your hands are inside, like you are using your hands to do everything, to press it and all of that, it tends to add to the spoilage. Okay, so don't use your hand. You will see what I did. I used my picker. I just like use it to press a little, but the one I use my hand to like remove the final one, I put it in a smaller plate. That's to say I didn't put it in the whole of the milk. Okay, so that's it. That's the way I do mine. Let me know if there is another option or how you prefer to do yours. Okay.